Welcome to this explainer, where we're going to map out exactly how to build a custom, highly useful personal AI assistant that can seamlessly help run parts of your life or business. I am absolutely thrilled to share this with you because the landscape has completely shifted recently, and building a truly capable system is now entirely within your reach.
I mean, just imagine having an assistant that literally never sleeps. It doesn't complain, it works for almost nothing, and it's on call 24/7. We aren't talking about science fiction anymore. This is practical, everyday reality in 2026. And it's not just about shaving a few minutes off your workflow here and there. It's about fundamentally upgrading how you operate on a day-to-day basis.
So, here is your complete blueprint for 2026. We're going to cover 1. The 2026 AI Assistant, 2. What it actually does, 3. 6 steps to build it, 4. The beginner tech stack, and 5. Mistakes to avoid. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The 2026 AI Assistant, Beyond the Chatbot. Let's set the record straight on what modern AI actually represents today.
Look, the absolute biggest mindset shift you've got to make here is dropping the idea of AI as just a single chatbot. We need to view it as a connected system of tools. In the past, we relied on those isolated prompt boxes. You asked a question, you got an answer, and boom, the interaction was over. But a 2026 system is an ecosystem. When you combine the right tools, you create an assistant that actively manages tasks and grinds away in the background 24/7, rather than just sitting there passively waiting for your next prompt.
Moving on to Section 2, what it actually does, the reality of AI assistants. Now that we have the vision, let's ground this in reality.
What's genuinely wild is how rapidly we can fire off these capabilities now. It's not just generating text anymore. Your 2026 assistant can scan your overflowing inbox, summarize the key points, and actually draft replies for you to approve. It can deep dive into research topics and hand you a clean briefing doc right before your meeting. It manages tasks, fires off reminders, completely organizes your scattered notes, and even partners with you on content creation. It runs automated workflows. It is literally a multiplier for your time.
All right, Section 3, 6 steps to build it, the core execution. Let's break down the exact sequence you need to follow to make this happen.
Here is your complete architectural journey. 1. Choose a core brain. 2. Add memory. 3. Connect tools. 4. Create roles. 5. Use automation layers. And 6. Add human approval. Following these steps in order is exactly how you transform a blank screen into a tireless digital employee.
Step 1 is choosing your core brain. You need a powerful reasoning engine, like Grok, Claude, or ChatGPT, to act as the central intelligence. Think of this as the logic center. It's the part that understands your intent, processes complex instructions, and figures out what to do next. Picking one of these industry-leading models ensures your foundation is rock solid right from the start.
Steps 2 and 3 are where we make sure the AI actually remembers your preferences and links directly into the tools you're already using every day. Think about a human assistant, right? If you had to re-explain your business and your past conversations to them every single morning, they wouldn't be very helpful at all. By using tools that allow long-term memory, the AI retains that past context. Then, for step 3, you use agents or automation platforms to plug that brain directly into your email, your calendar, and your notes workspace, like Notion.
Now for step 4. You'll want to segment your assistant into specialized roles or modes so it knows exactly how to behave for specific jobs. Instead of a jack-of-all-trades that does everything just okay, you create specific agent personas. You have your research assistant for the deep dives, your writing assistant for drafting, your task manager for keeping you on schedule, and your daily briefing agent for the morning prep. This segmentation makes the output incredibly precise.
Step 5 is the magic ingredient, utilizing automation layers like Make or N8N so the assistant runs entirely on its own in the background. This is where we cross that bridge from chatbot to autonomous assistant. By integrating these layers, your AI isn't waiting for you to type a prompt. A trigger, say a new email arriving or a specific time of day, tells the AI to wake up, do its job, and deliver the result, completely hands-free.
Let's look at Section 4, the beginner tech stack, your recommended setup. Here's how this all builds into a practical suite of tools you can start using today.
So this is the ultimate beginner stack. For your main AI, you'll want Grok or Claude. For your notes and memory center, Notion AI is fantastic. For the automation layer that glues the whole shebang together, Make.com or N8N are your go-to platforms. And optionally, if you have highly sensitive or private tasks, you can even route those through localized models. This exact combination totally removes the guesswork and gives you a system that just works.
Finally, Section 5, Mistakes to Avoid, Crucial Guardrails. Before you rush off to build this, we definitely need to shift gears and talk about safety. Building an AI assistant is absolutely one of the highest leverage things you can do in 2026, but you will fail if you give it too much autonomy early on, or if you try to make it do everything at once. This is exactly where people get into trouble. If you try to automate your entire life in a single afternoon, the system is going to break. Start small, expand over time. Also, never blindly trust the outputs without reviewing them first, and definitely don't ignore your privacy settings when connecting your personal data.
So remember this absolutely crucial rule. Always keep important actions under your control for safety. This is step 6 from our build process, and it doubles as your ultimate safety net. Before an email gets sent to a VIP client, or before a purchase is made, the AI should draft it and then pause. It waits for you to click approve. You maintain total executive control, while the AI does all the heavy lifting.
As you prepare to start small this week and expand over time, I want to leave you with this question to kickstart your planning. If you could hand off just one repeating, time-consuming task today, what would it be? Think about that carefully, because that single task is exactly where you should begin building your new system. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope this breakdown empowers you to build an assistant that fundamentally changes how you work. See you next time.